Have you ever walked into a room and felt a sudden wave of emotion, even though it was empty? Or experienced that strange feeling of déjà vu, as if you've lived this exact moment before? What if I told you these weren't just tricks of your mind, but whispers from the universe itself? Today, we're diving deep into a mind-bending idea, the resonance theory. It suggests that the fundamental building block of our universe isn't matter or energy, it's memory. So, what is the resonance theory? Strip away everything you think you know about physics for a moment. Forget atoms, quarks, and strings. Instead, imagine that every single thing in existence, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, possesses a kind of memory. This isn't memory like a computer file, or a thought in your head. It's a vibrational memory. Every atom, every cell, every photon, remembers its journey where it's been, what it's interacted with has stored data. But as a unique frequency, a constant hum. Think of it like a guitar string. Once plucked, it continues to vibrate at a specific pitch. The universe, according to this theory, is an infinite orchestra of these vibrating strings. Now, here's where it gets truly fascinating. When two of these vibrations, these frequencies, happen to match, they resonate, they amplify each other, they connect, they harmonize. And in that moment of resonance, reality as we perceive it springs into existence. What we call matter, the chair you're sitting on, the phone in your hand. Your own body is simply memory vibrating so rapidly and consistently that it appears solid. It's a pattern, a cosmic echo, repeating itself over and over, creating the illusion of permanence. Matter isn't a thing. It's a song the universe sings to itself. This completely reframes our understanding of consciousness. Where does our awareness come from? The conventional view is that it's a product of the brain's complex neural network. But the resonance theory proposes something far more profound. Consciousness isn't born inside our skulls. It's what happens when a vibration, a specific frequency, becomes self-aware. Imagine one of those vibrating strings in the cosmic orchestra, suddenly realizing, I am vibrating. This is my song. Your consciousness is the universe experiencing itself through your unique frequency. It's not something you have asterisk. It's something you are asterisk. This perspective offers beautiful explanations for some of life's most mysterious experiences. That feeling of déjà vu. It could be your personal frequency, briefly aligning with a powerful memory print left behind in a particular space-time location. You're not remembering a past life. You're resonating with a moment that has already vibrated there. When you sense a feeling in an empty room, you're not imagining things. You're tuning into the residual, emotional frequencies left behind by people who were there before you. Intense joy, profound sadness, these emotions create powerful vibrations that linger in the environment, like the fading warmth from a fire. And what about that deep, inexplicable connection you feel with certain people, even someone you've just met, or who is miles away? It's resonance. Your vibrational patterns are in sync. Your songs are playing in the same key. You're not just communicating with words or body language. Your very beings are harmonizing on a fundamental, cosmic level. This is why you can sometimes know what a loved one is thinking or feeling, even when you're separated by a great distance. Your waves are tuned to the same pattern, connected by an invisible thread of resonance. If everything is vibration and resonance, what does that mean for time? We tend to think of time as a straight line, a river carrying us from the past, through the present, and into the future. But the resonance theory paints a different picture. Time isn't a linear progression. It's more like a vast ocean of echoes. Every event, every action, every thought that has ever occurred doesn't just disappear. It leaves a memory print, a vibrational signature, in the fabric of the cosmos. The past isn't gone. It's still vibrating. The future isn't unwritten. It's a sea of potential resonances waiting to be activated. So, when you move through time, you're not actually moving forward along a line. You are simply shifting your own frequency, moving deeper into different states of resonance. You are tuning your personal radio to different cosmic stations. This ocean of echoes contains all possibilities. Every choice you make isn't about creating a new path, but about choosing which frequency to resonate with, which echo to bring into your present reality. Your life becomes a journey of tuning. Think about the implications of this. Every action you take, every word you speak, every intention you hold, sends ripples out into this cosmic ocean. It creates a memory print that contributes to the universal song. The universe, in turn, replays these notes, these patterns, these vibrations, over and over again. It's a grand, cosmic feedback loop. The theory suggests that the universe is constantly seeking harmony. It replays these vibrations, combining them in new ways, until a state of perfect, unified resonance is achieved. A universal chord, where every note is in its right place. This brings us to the idea of personal growth and enlightenment. If this theory holds any truth, then perhaps the path to enlightenment isn't about acquiring more knowledge, learning more facts, or accumulating more experiences. Maybe it's not about becoming something new at all. Maybe enlightenment is simply about remembering asterisk. It's about stripping away all the dissonant frequencies, the noise, the static we accumulate throughout our lives, the anxieties, the false beliefs, the conditioning. It's about purifying our own vibration until we can hear the original, pure note we were always meant to be. Enlightenment, then, is the act of remembering the fundamental vibration you have always been. A perfect and unique note in the grand symphony of existence. It's about tuning out the distractions and tuning into your authentic self, resonating with your core frequency. It's a return to your origin song. So, is this the end? Or is it simply the beginning of a new frequency? The resonance theory invites us to see the world not as a collection of separate objects, but as an interconnected, vibrant, and living web of memory and vibration. It asks us to listen more closely to our intuition, to our environment, and to each other. Because in that listening, we might just start to hear the music of the cosmos and remember our own part in the song. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the heart of resonance. If this idea sparked something in you, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy exploring the mysteries of consciousness and the universe, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep listening.